Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole with LilyBeanXO. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these burlap flowers. They look complicated, but they're actually pretty simple to make. And if you guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this one. But if you would like to see how to make the mini ones, or this paper clip for junk journaling, or even this embellishment to go inside another flower, just let me know and I will make a video tutorial for that. What you'll need is burlap ribbon. You could use normal burlap too, but it would be a little bit more difficult. And this is all I have left, so I'm going to just cut it in half. It doesn't have to be an exact measurement, but mine is like 12 inches. And then what you need is a glue gun, and you're going to glue the edges so that you create a nice seal, because at the end you have to take some of these fibers out and it's really hard to do without a good seal. Silly me, my camera died. Okay, so you take your glue gun and you want to glue the edges to create a seal. And then I'm just using a finger protector to push the glue down. And you want to do that all the way across on both sides. I'll come back to you when that's done. After you've finished gluing the sides, you just want to create a seal along the edge so that it doesn't unravel and that it holds it and seals it in place. Now, after you do that, you want to start pulling on the fibers that go lengthwise. Start pulling on the fibers that go this way, not this way. I probably sound a little bit slow in my videos because I get nervous and I forget a lot of what I'm supposed to say. And I'm really sorry if this video seems rushed. It's the second time I made the video. My channel isn't verified yet, so I'm not allowed having videos over 15 minutes long. Hoping that changes soon, but I'll just have to stick to short videos for now. So you just keep pulling until all the fibers are out, until the edges, and I'll speed this part up so you can watch, but you don't have to sit here forever. I just cut the ends off that weren't even. You can see how this one isn't attached to the other side. It's just a lot easier when making the flower if those pieces are trimmed down. And when you're done pulling the threads out, it'll look like this. Make sure you get the glue only around the edge, because the thicker it goes down, the more fibers you can't pull out, and the thicker your base will be. So after you get the fibers out, you want to even your sides, and then you're going to fold them down like this, and then you're going to glue along this strip as thin as possible. And after this part is done, you take the thinnest side and then you start gluing and rolling. You can use other glues for this, but I find a glue gun faster and a lot easier because if you use like tacky glue or Elmer's glue, it takes a really long time to dry and it doesn't hold together, so you're going to be holding it for a while. And if the glue is too hot, just make sure that you use a finger protector. I'm doing it a little bit at a time so that I don't burn myself. Let it dry for a few seconds and push the end flat if you can. It might go a little wonky while you're rolling it. Just let it dry for a little. I'm just shaping the bottom. And then you take your fingers, push the middle apart and push it down. And you have your flower. It's that simple. Now you just need to find a centerpiece to put in the middle. I made a walkthrough video of all the centerpieces that I made, and if you want to see a specific one, just make sure you ask. I think I'm gonna put this one in the center. And voila, your beautiful flower is finished. If you want to see more videos, or if you have any video suggestions, make sure you leave them in the comments below and I'll get working on that video. Subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to know more about me, this is my second channel. My first channel is This Journey Is Mine, and it talks about my weight loss journey. I used to be almost 300 pounds and now I'm around 180, 195. And if you would like to see my cross-country Canada road trip, make sure you subscribe to that channel. I leave in 1 week. See you in my next video. Bye!